Ford's 7.3 diesel name gets thrown around like it means one engine, but that's not really true, because the 7.3 IDI and the 7.3 Power Stroke may share a badge, a displacement, and a Ford truck legacy, but inside they solve the diesel problem in completely different ways. Welcome back to Inside the Case. Today we're looking at two engines that change Ford diesel trucks in completely different ways. On one side we have the 7.3 IDI, a mechanical, indirect injection diesel from the old Ford truck era. On the other side, we have the 7.3 Power Stroke, a turbocharged direct injection diesel with electronic control and HEUI injectors. They're both 7.3 liters, they both have the international Navistar roots, they both ended up in Ford trucks, and they both built loyal followings. So they are connected, but once you start pulling them apart, you realize the Power Stroke wasn't just a slightly updated IDI, it was a completely different way of making diesel power. Before we get too deep into how they work, it's worth clearing up the years, because the 7.3 name can get confusing fast. The 7.3 IDI showed up in Ford trucks for the 1988 model year, replacing the older 6.9 IDI. It kept the same 4.18 inch stroke as the 6.9, but used a larger 4.11 inch bore to reach 444 cubic inches, or 7.3 liters. The naturally aspirated 7.3 IDI was used through the early 1990s, and the final factory turbo IDI trucks showed up for 1993 and 1994. Those turbo IDIs are still indirect injection, they are still mechanical, they are not Power Strokes. A 1994 Ford diesel truck could be a factory IDI turbo or a Power Stroke, depending on when it was built and how it was optioned. Then the 7.3 Power Stroke arrived in the 1994 and a half era as the first Ford Power Stroke diesel. Power Stroke kept the same basic displacement, 7.3 liters or 444 cubic inches, and it still came from the international Navistar world. But it was not just a turbo IDI with a different badge. The Power Stroke brought direct injection, HEUI injectors, electronic control, a turbocharger, and a completely different way of firing the fuel. The power numbers show the jump too. A naturally aspirated 7.3 IDI was rated around 185 horsepower in Ford F-Series use. The factory turbo IDI was rated around 190 horsepower and 388 pound-feet of torque. Early 7.3 Power Stroke trucks were rated around 210 horsepower and 425 pound-feet of torque. By 1996, they were rated around 215 horsepower and 450 pound-feet. By the later OBS years, they were up around 225 horsepower and 450 pound-feet. Then the 1999 to 2003 Super Duty versions climbed higher again, with later ratings reaching up to 250 to 275 horsepower, depending on transmission, and torque ratings over 500 pound-feet. So if you look at the timeline, it goes like this. The 6.9 IDI was the original Ford pickup IDI diesel era. The 7.3 IDI is the larger mechanical version. The 1993 to 1994 turbo IDI is the final factory boosted version of that mechanical platform, and the 7.3 Power Stroke is the start of the electronic, direct injected HEUI Power Stroke era. That's why this comparison matters. We're not just comparing two old Ford diesels, we're looking at the handoff between two completely different ways of building a diesel truck engine. The IDI was the end of the simple mechanical era. Power Stroke was the beginning of Ford's electronic diesel era. IDI stands for indirect injection. That means that fuel is not sprayed directly into the main combustion area above the piston. Instead, the injector sprays fuel into a small pre-chamber in the cylinder head. Combustion starts in that chamber and then moves into the cylinder. That design is a huge part of what gives the IDI its personality. The IDI has a mechanical injection pump, mechanical injectors, hard fuel lines, glow plugs, and a pretty basic wiring harness. Once you understand fuel, air, compression, heat, and timing, you understand most of what this engine needs. Fuel comes in, a mechanical lift pump feeds the injection pump. The DB2 style rotary injection pump pressurizes the fuel, times the injection event, and sends fuel through 8 steel hard lines. Each hard line goes to a mechanical injector. The injector opens when the pressure is high enough. Now look at the Power Stroke. Instead of indirect injection, the 7.3 Power Stroke is direct injected. The injection fires straight into the combustion chamber. That changes the cylinder head, the piston bowl, the way the fuel burns, and how much control the engine can have over the combustion event. But the injection system is where the Power Stroke really separates itself. The Power Stroke does not have a mechanical injection pump sending high pressure fuel through 8 hard lines. On the Power Stroke, fuel is supplied at lower pressure to the cylinder heads, but the injector itself is where the real injection event happens. That's where HEUI comes in. HEUI stands for hydraulically actuated electronic controlled unit injection. That sounds complicated, but the simple version is this. The injector has diesel fuel inside of it, but high pressure engine oil is what gives the injector the force to fire. So in the IDI, oil is mostly just oil. It lubricates the engine. On the power stroke, oil also becomes part of the injection system. That is one of the weirdest and most important differences between these engines. A 7.3 power stroke can have fuel in the tank, compression in all the cylinders, and still not start correctly if the high pressure oil side is not happy. Oil pressure matters, oil quality matters, injector O-rings matter, the high pressure oil pump matters, the IPR matters, the ICP sensor matters, the wiring matters. That's a completely different world compared to the IDI. The IDI is mostly mechanical, cause and effect. The power stroke is mechanical, hydraulic, and electronic all at the same time. And you can see that just by looking at the engines. The IDI has wiring, but not much compared to the power stroke. You have glow plug wiring, a fuel shutoff solenoid, cold advance, temperature switches, and a few basic circuits. The engine still feels like it belongs to the mechanical diesel era. The power stroke has a lot more going on. There's a PCM, an injector driver module, sensors in the valley, fuel bowl wiring, oil pressure control, under valve cover wiring, and electronic control over when each injector fires. That doesn't make the power stroke bad, it just means the engine can do more. The computer can control injection timing and fueling in a way the old mechanical IDI just can't. It can't respond to sensors, it can't control the injection event more precisely, and that is why the power stroke made such a big jump in personality. The IDI is simple, slow, and tough. The power stroke is still old compared to modern diesels, but next to the IDI it's a major step towards the computer-controlled diesel world. Airflow is another big change. Most 7.3 IDIs and pickups were naturally aspirated. Factory turbo IDIs existed in the final years and plenty of owners added aftermarket turbo kits, but the IDI reputation was built around simple mechanical diesel power. If an IDI won't run, the list of things to check is pretty direct. Does it have compression? Are the glow plugs working? Is the injection pump getting fuel? Is the fuel shutoff solenoid working? Are the return lines letting air into the system? Is the pump timed correctly? That's why people like them. They're not fast by modern standards, but they make sense. If you've ever worked around one of these old IDIs, you know the problems are usually very mechanical. Air intrusions, weak glow plugs, old return lines, fuel draining back, pump timing, a tired injection pump. Annoying problems, yes, but understandable ones. The power stroke is more powerful, but it asks you to understand more systems. Fuel supply still matters, compression still matters, but now the oil side matters too. The sensors matter, the injector driver module matters, the under valve cover harness matters, the IPR and ICP system matters, the high pressure oil system can become part of a no start, a rough start, or a hard hot start, or a weak running engine. That's the trade-off. The IDI wins on simplicity, the power stroke wins on control, and that is really the heart of this comparison. That's why the debate never really has one clear answer. If you want simple, mechanical, easy to understand diesel power, the IDI has the personality. If you want more, better control, direct injection, turbocharging, and a stronger platform for towing and tuning, the power stroke is the big step forward. But if you're asking what actually changed inside, the answer is clear. Almost everything important about the injection changed. Mechanical fuel control became electronic fuel control, indirect injection became direct injection, a rotary pump and hard lines became HEUI injectors, simple wiring became a full control system, and engine oil became part of how the injectors fire. They both wear the 7.3 name, but once both engines are apart on the floor, they do not feel like the same engine at all. One is the end of the old mechanical Ford diesel era, the other is the beginning of the power stroke era, and that is what actually changed inside. Thank you for watching Inside the Case. If you like seeing old truck engines, transmissions, transfer cases, and drivetrain parts taken apart and explained from the inside out, make sure you're subscribed. We've got a lot more torn apart on the floor, and we'll see you in the next one.